everyone, today we are going to be doing something pretty awesome with Zeus. We're going to make Zeus react to dog noises. So, Braylon's going to put her phone down right next to Zeus. Oh, here we go. Zeus. Zeus was... Oh, now Vita's reacting to it.
If you're wondering, these are all different types of dogs.
Yeah, these are all different types of dogs. Vita just came up because she was reacting, I guess.
See what?
Zeus! Were you scared? He's always scared. Look, he's scared. He's scared of the noises. Oh my gosh, Zeus. You're such a big baby.
Bad idea.
Scared, Zeus. Vita. There goes Zeus. Now Vita's scared too. Oh my gosh. Why are you dogs so scared? There's no reason to be scared. Okay, do it again on Zeus.
Oh, this is actually a different video.
Try doing the dog barking again.
Yeah, hold on. Let's have mine different.
Alright. So Zeus was reacting. We're going to try again in a minute. So, oh yeah.
I'm going to try
look.
sound effects that dogs hate.
Sound effects that dogs have.
Wait,
hate.
actually?
You can if you want, but yeah, we just want to see how Zeus reacts.
Today, video's called Dogs Howling to make your dogs howl. Should we just see that video?
Yeah, let's check out Zeus. So Zeus, it's time to react to the big reacting.
These are wolves.
Oh my god. He's gonna go howl.
Oh, he just wants to sniff that rock. Wow.
Zeus doesn't seem to be reacting at all. Yeah. Let's try sounds that dogs hate. So, okay, dog barking noises, I guess. Try the noises dogs hate.
Is a dog right? Okay, I'll try it.
Focus.
Wow.
Wow, Zeus, you're so lame. Wow. Now he's just sniffing some rock, and he ate the rock. Wow. Wait, there it is.
Okay.
Zeus react. Zeus is not really liking this. Yeah. He almost pushed Vita.
Ooh, let's try puppy crying sound effect.
Okay. After that, we're doing the noises dogs hate. Look at Vita back there. Vita! Zeus definitely is scared. Zeus, no reason to be scared. Vita's scared
Maybe
of it.
for the next video, we should make like a video of
Vita
Vita
reacting.
reacts.
Let's do the noises that dogs hate for Zeus to actually react to. I'm excited. She's excited. So, yeah, let's do this. So, Zeus needs to find a spot to lay down. Is it starting, Berlin? Okay, well, Zeus is going to find a spot to lay down.
It's right here.
Wait, hold on. Pause it. Oh, come on, Zeus. He's just drinking water.
Wait, tell me when you're ready.
Okay. He's drinking water. Zeus.
Well, let's wait so he can lay down.
Yeah, let's wait till he lays down. Don't get close to him. Let him find a spot. Zeus.
I'm waiting. Oh, he's gonna do it. I see. I just saw his legs kind of bending.
Okay. He's laid down. Now let's do it. Okay, Zeus, time to react. The ultimate reaction time.
So this is animals howls and growls.
Okay.
And
oh my God! Did you see Zeus's head tilt? Oh, Zeus! Look it! There he's doing it. He's tilting his head.
The next one's other dogs barking and snarling.
Look, he's doing that. Oh my God, Zeus! Yeah, Zeus keeps getting scared. You're such a big baby, Zeus. Now he's waggling his tail. Zeus.
Just like
Zeus. Oh yeah, they all hate sirens. There he goes. He sounds like he's about to howl. Or lay down. Okay, Zeus was reacting pretty weird. Look at this.
Siren.
Yeah, beautiful siren. Probably doesn't like that. I know Vita doesn't like that, but Zeus. Seriously. Okay, so we're gonna pause the video now. This is the end of Zeus reacting to noises. He did some pretty weird reactions, but he didn't do a lot. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, and bye.